Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Renisa Mukaroma from the Islamic Religion Faculty, Early Childhood Islamic Education Study Program. I'm here to present my assessment, namely the Reading Clinic 3 assessment. This is my Reading Clinic 3 assessment. Instructor by Zobi Mazhabi, Department of Grade, Early Childhood Islamic Education, and I'm third semester. Student name, my name is Renisa Mukaroma, and my student number 212901414014016. Faculty of Islamic Study, Early Childhood Education, University of Islam Malang, academic year 2020. Then there is my present list for fall meeting, the first week, the second week, the third week, and the last, the fourth week. Then enter into reading. Okay, the title is Weakening Culture in Indonesia Among Youth and the Influence of Outside Culture on Indonesian Youth. Indonesia is a country that has distinctive social order. This general public context happened in light of the way that Indonesia country includes a few islands, where each island has its own specific culture. Recall thus, at this moment Indonesia culture is in danger of being lost because bowed down by time. There are such countries that advantage of life is in danger. Those variables are from inside and outside. Throughout this paper, the maker will depict those parts that cause the peril of neighborhood Indonesia culture. Here are two entities that looking at those parts. The primary is component from inside. The decreasing of Indonesia lifestyle vicinity in its own specific home is achieved by its own specific people that ignore their lifestyle especially for youngsters. They are quit by frontline life and start to neglect the qualities which is pursued by their forerunners. Case in point, close by vernacular, social, social capacity, custom and Indonesian tradition have been lost in general society. A. In the blink of an eye, we could see no one needs to us adjacent, leading you in light of the fact that they are more vivid, called plebeian. Other than adolescent, one could not give a second thought less anymore with the lifestyle government unlike manner less responsive in dealing with this issue. There is no veritable threat from government to offers Indonesian society. The second is outside components, the rapid stream of information which comes to Indonesia in like manner affects the deterioration of Indonesian culture. Various remote social orders, especially Western social orders, have come and grown in Indonesia. These Western social orders are opposing with the Indonesians' value as Eastern nation. It in like manner give dreadful effect in Indonesian standard as Eastern national nation. Nowadays, we can see the style of dress that does not consent to the principle in state and poor lifestyle has grown in Indonesia. Along this line, the reduction of Indonesian culture vicinity in his own specific country as an eventual outcome of a couple of variables. They are inside and outside components for keeping up the movement of Indonesian culture. Let us keep our own specific culture, especially we as adolescents don't feel embarrassed to secure of lifestyle wherever stem Western social orders which come into our country. In case we have lost our interesting society in first, we have lost our own specific national character. From the reading above, I make a summary. Indonesia consists of many islands stretching from Sabang to Merauke. Consists of small islands and large islands. The number of islands in Indonesia is a major factor in the many ethnic cultures, consisting of race, religions, language, custom, and various cultures. The ancestors who brought this culture into this country. However, it is said that at this time, this diversity is beginning to be eroded by time and covered by new habits, especially for young people. Western habits that have begun to enter Indonesia have become a factor in triggering the loss of our ancestral culture, starting from clothing association and many more activities of young people today who imitate the habits of Western people. Such incidents should receive special attention from the government. The Indonesian government has the right to invite all Indonesian people to preserve our ancestral culture. Technology in modern times like this can also have negative impact if users don't use it wisely. Many Western models that can be seen from the internet and social media, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, feature Western styles so that Indonesian youth can easily follow and imitate them. For this reason, as the people of Indonesia, both parents and young people must work together by fostering love for the country's culture and still preserving it so that it is not lost because it is eroded by time and by new habits. And lastly, make question like this. Question relate to text that I don't understand. This is question list. The first The first point, difficult experience. I make a question, difficulty understanding language. And the second point, question about the text that is read mainly about language English. And I make some question. The first, how to cultivate a love of culture to young people. The second, how to introduce and preserve Indonesian ancestral culture to children. And the third, what to do to avoid Western culture. And the last, how easy it is to be able to understand English text quickly. Okay, that was a little explanation from me about the Reading Clinic 3. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.